Hi friends, I welcome you all here at TNV Academy. In this session, we are going to talk about an international standard ISO 13485 2016. Let's start with the clause 3, Terms and Definitions. The standard states that for the purposes of this document, the terms and definitions given in ISO 9000-2015 apply. Apart from that, some other terms which I am going to explain now also apply under this standard ISO 13485-2016. Advisory Notice. Advisory notice is a notice issued by the organization subsequent to delivery of the medical device to provide supplementary information or to advise on action to be taken in the use of a medical device, modification of a medical device, return of the medical device to the organization that supplied it, or destruction of a medical device. Authorized representative. Authorized representative is a natural or legal person established within a country or jurisdiction who has received a written mandate from the manufacturer to act on his behalf for specified tasks with regards to the latter's obligations under that country or jurisdiction's legislation. Clinical evaluation. Clinical evaluation is an assessment and analysis of clinical data pertaining to a medical device to verify the clinical safety and performance of the device when used as intended by the manufacturer. Complaint. Complaint is written, electronic, or oral communication that alleges deficiencies related to the identity, quality, durability, reliability, usability, safety, or performance of a medical device that has been released from the organization's control or related to a service that affects the performance of such medical devices. Distributor. A distributor is natural or a legal person in the supply chain who, on his own behalf, furthers the availability of a medical device to the end user. Implantable medical device is a medical device which can only be removed by medical or surgical intervention and which is intended to be totally or partially introduced into the human body or a natural orifice, or replace an epithelial surface or the surface of the eye and remain after the procedure for at least 30 days. Importer. Importer is a natural or a legal person in the supply chain who is the first in a supply chain to make a medical device manufactured in another country or jurisdiction, available in the country or jurisdiction where it is to be marketed. Labeling. Labeling is a label, instructions for use, and any other information that is related to identification, technical description, intended purpose, and proper use of the medical device, but excluding shipping documents. Life cycle. All phases in the life of a medical device, from the initial conception to the final decommissioning and disposal. Manufacturer. Manufacturer is a natural or a legal person with responsibilities for design and or manufacture of a medical device with the intention of making the medical device available for use under his name, whether or not such a medical device is designed and or manufactured by that person himself or on his behalf by another person. Medical device. Medical device is an instrument, apparatus, implement, machine, appliance, implant, reagent for in vitro use, software, material, or other similar or related article intended by the manufacturer to be used, alone or in combination, for human beings, for one or more of the specific medical purpose or purposes of diagnosis, prevention, monitoring, treatment, or alleviation of disease. Diagnosis, monitoring, treatment, alleviation of or compensation for an injury, investigation, replacement, modification, or support of the anatomy or of a physiological process, supporting or sustaining life, control of conception, disinfection of medical devices, providing information by means of in vitro examination of specimens derived from the human body, and does not achieve its primary intended action by pharmacological, immunological, or metabolic means in or on the human body, but which may be assisted in its intended function by such means. Medical device family. Medical device family is a group of medical devices manufactured by or for the same organization by having the same basic design and performance characteristics related to safety, intended use, and function. Performance evaluation. Performance evaluation is assessment and analysis of data to establish or verify the ability of an in vitro diagnostic medical device to achieve its intended use. Post-market surveillance. Post-market surveillance is a systematic process to collect and analyze experience gained from medical devices that have been placed on the market. Product. Product is a result of a process. This definition of product differs from the definition given in ISO 9000-2015. Purchased product. Purchased product is a product provided by a party outside the organization's quality management system. Risk. Risk is a combination of the probability of occurrence of harm and the severity of that harm. Risk management. Risk management is a systematic application of management policies, procedures, and practices to the tasks of analyzing, evaluating, controlling, and monitoring risk. Sterile barrier system. Sterile barrier system is a minimum package that prevents ingress of microorganisms and allows aseptic presentation of the product at the point of use. Sterile medical device. Sterile medical device is medical device intended to meet the requirements for sterility. Friends, we have covered the clause 3, terms and definitions of ISO 13485-2016. For more information about our institute and other training programs, you can contact us through email or phone. I sincerely thank you for all your interest and attention. Thanks and best wishes.